and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order food for someone else on Foodpanda. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open Foodpanda app, and once you open it, you can simply scroll down below and tap on the restaurant that you want to order from. So once you've selected the restaurant, simply search for the food that you want to order for others. So once you have added it as well, you can choose different kind of stuffings or addings and simply hit the add to cart option. So after you do this, you can simply tap on view your cart to confirm your order, and now you can simply tap on review payment and address. Once you do this, you can now simply choose the address of your friend that you want to deliver the food to and simply tap in the delivery section and then type in their delivery address instead of yours. So now once you type in their delivery address, the food will be delivered to their place instead of yours. So this is how you can order food for someone else on Foodpanda. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.